Oh, bigger. Oh, very nice. Teachers, what is that picture in your own teacher? Doraemon. Doraemon. Is your best friends? What is your best friend? The toys. What is your best friend? What is your close friend? Tem. At home. What is your close friend at school? His name Poom. How old is he?
4.
He is 4.
Yes.
Same your age.
Yes.
Same. Tem go 4.
And this my friend.
What is that?
Is a toy.
A toy? What do you call this toy?
Rubber.
Rubber. And the clock. Where is the clock?
I will show you.
You will show me? Where is the clock? What time is it now? Can you reading? Tell me what number? The short hands. Point 6 between 6 and 7. And the longer? What number? Now is
Yes. 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. No. Almost 9 o'clock in the night. It's time to sleeping, you know.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Are you ready to
10 o'clock, 11
sleeping?
o'clock, 12 o'clock.
It's time to sleeping, Tem. Otherwise tomorrow you can
4,
get up
460,
early.
64.
64 for 60? What time do you plan to get up tomorrow?
7.
You would like to wake up 7 o'clock
No.
in the morning?
No, 5.
Huh?
5.
Oh, too early. 7, very good for you. And you will go to St. Mary half day in the morning, right? What teacher tomorrow will we teach you to them?
I don't know.
You don't know yet. Maybe Teacher Lee, or maybe teacher Kirsty? Them?
Kita kan lupa Teacher Sophia.
Sophia? Teacher Sophia? Is she beautiful? Very nice.
เมื่อก่อนเนี่ยเต็มพูดกับ Teacher Sophia แล้วอะ
No.
ค่ะ
How does she look like? She is fat or thin?
สิ้น
She is very thin. And she is tall or short?
เท่า
Very tall, right?
หนึ่ง
Tall, medium.
คุณตาเปียกเท่าไหม
No, very short.
ตา
Grandpa.
กงเท่าใช่ไหม
Yes, Gong Gong is very tall.
เท่า
Who is tall? Teacher?
Sophia
Sophia is tall teacher. What color of her hair? Brown, black, blue, brown. What color of her hair? Brown hair?
blonde
Brown.
I don't know
You don't know what color. Where is she? Where is she come from? She's from America?
No.
You don't know? Maybe she's from England.
No.
Or maybe she's from Philippines.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Maybe, yes. Are you sure? You are not sure. You are not sure. I'm not sure, right? Where is Nigel come from?
England.
Huh? Yeah, he's from England. Yeah, correct. Very good. Where is Giacomo come from? Giacomo come from Italy.
Italy.
Italy. Where is teacher Christy come from? She's yes, she's come from Philippines. She's come from Philippines? Yes. Where is teacher Golf come from?
Thailand.
Teacher Golf come from Thailand. Very good. Correct. Excellent. I will give you the present on Sunday. You want to get the present from the day?
Yes.
Okay, you have to guess what present I will give you on Sunday, alright? Okay? I will make you surprise. I will surprise Tam on Sunday.
On Saturday.
No, on Sunday. Saturday that you have to go to work. No time to buy present for you. Okay? Can you wait until Sunday?
No.
Oh, only one day more. Tomorrow is what day? Tomorrow is
Sunday.
no. Tomorrow is Saturday.
No.
What day after Saturday? The day after Saturday is
Sunday.
okay. Correct. Very good. Excellent. Come to get present for me. Now, I will give you present, special present. Come on, close to me. I will give you. I will give you. I will give you. I will give you.